welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to see what's in my bag and my bag collection. So guys, I'm super excited to make this video and to share this video with you all. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So here is my bag. As you can see, this is an Esbeda Gucci bag. It is a limited edition, and right the moment my bag is looking very thick and very fat, you can see, because there are a lot of things stuffed inside this which I use every day. So let's see. First thing I see in my bag is this. It is a Mamaearth sunscreen lotion which I use every day, every single day, because every day I step out of my house and I get exposed to sun, so skin damage na ho, isliye I use this one. Thing in my bag is my body lotion. It is a Cetaphil moisturizing body lotion. So my skin is super dry. I need this every time I need the moisturizer. So the next thing is one of my favorite thing in my bag, my Louis Vuitton clutch. इसमें I had my cards, my cash and my essentials. In my bag is this cute Van Heusen red pouch, and I usually put my makeup stuff in this one, but now my all makeup is scattered in my purse. I'll show it to you. Some everyday useful makeup things for me. This is a L'Oreal mascara and some lipsticks. This is one of my favorite lipstick. I'll show you the color. This is a Revlon lipstick. You can see the color. It's very beautiful pink shade. I'll show you. It's neither too dark, neither too light. It is very beautiful shade. It is a very glossy, very hydrating lipstick. I use this my MAC compact every day, and I use this brush too. So these two are very essential everyday thing in my bag. I again found a lipstick in my bag. So this is from Sugar Smudge Me Not Lipstick Duo. Thing in my bag is these medicines. I carry this with me whenever I go out. And the next thing is this chewing gum. Although I don't like the taste of this chewing gum, but still I ate all this. You know what, I feel like eating chewing gum, so when I don't have any work to do, then I eat chewing gum. I have few pens with me, and this pen is very near to my heart because this is given by one of my very dearest friend to me. I love this pen, although I never used it. I don't wanted this to run out. That's why I have some handkerchiefs with me. Have watches. I carry 2-3 watches with me. I don't know why, but I carry watches. So I am too fond of wearing watches. So this is one of my favorite watch from Armani. I love this watch. This is such a formal, elegant looking watch. Next watch is this Michael Kors watch. This is one of my favorite watch. Here I have some rubbers to tie my hands and keys. A bunch of keys. I have some perfumes with me. This is the Charlie perfume. Usually I use Chanel Blue, but I'm running out of my perfume, so I'm currently using this one. And I also use that Brut one. I know that's men's perfume, but I love the smell of that one. I love the smell of men's perfume, so I use that. The next and the last thing is this, my sunglasses. I always carry sunglasses with me because I can't resist that direct sunlight over my eyes. I feel like doing this, or I do this. So to avoid this thing, I carry sunglasses. I'll show you. I got the sunglasses from Shein. These are super cute sunglasses. I'll wear it and show you. Guys, this is it for what's in my bag, and I had showed you all the things in my bag. So without any further ado, let's jump into my bag collection. My first bag is this cute little bag with a little cute lock. This is a super spacious bag. I must say I love this bag. Its color and its detailing is superb. I love this, and it comes with an adjustable spring so that you can hang it on your shoulder like this, or you can hold it like this. So this is the Michael Kors bag. As you can see, it is super good bag, and it is a very spacious bag though. It also comes with a little lock. I don't know why, but I'm super fascinated by these little locks on the handbag. I love them a lot. Like they're so attractive, and they attracts me all the time. My next bag is this one. This one is again from Michael Kors, and again it has a little this lock kind of thing hanging here. I already told you I'm super fascinated by locks, and it also comes with this string. I had used it a lot means a lot. I had literally used it like anything. I had used it so badly, like I had used it continuously for 2-3 months. My next bag is this one. This is a super cute festive Esbeda handbag. As you can see, Esbeda written all over here. It is a very beautiful handbag. This side is matte side, and this one is glossy. And I love the thing about this bag is this is also super spacious bag. If you want to stuff a lot of things, then you just have to do this thing. It will open up, and you can put a lot of things in this bag. So my next bag is this one. Ta-da! This is super cute bag which comes with these chain strings. This is super classy. It looks damn classy if you pair this with black top and black jeans. With all black look, it will go gorgeously, and it looks very rich, and it gives a very posh look to your OOTD. As my next handbag is this one. Very formal and very good looking handbag, and it is from brand La Belle. I got this one from Paris, I think 5 years ago. This handbag is this one. I know this is super basic handbag. I usually carry it rarely. Just keep your wallet. You can carry your phone, and that's it. You cannot carry any other thing, otherwise it will look this fat. And it is adjustable. You can adjust it with your. So guys, the another bag is this one. As you can see, it is a very cute, decent and elegant bag. My next handbag is this one, and it has this strap, and it is adjustable. You can adjust it with your size. Sorry for this Ara Tera structure of the belt. This bag is super big from all those bags which I had shown you. So this is that bag. You can see. And इसके belt ऐसे है. ये bag ऐसा है. I again got this from Paris. This is from one of my favorite brand, Lavie, and this is super cute bag. The bag which I am going to show you right now is the last bag of my collection. Although it is not a bag, it is a clutch, but it is super beautiful. You all will love it for sure. So here is this bag. Here is this clutch. As you can see, the diamonds, the stones, it is amazing. Coming to the bag here, this is super beautiful, and the detailing is perfect. I got this bag from Shein, I guess. Yes, from Shein only I got. And this diamond thing is like a handle which opens the bag. You have to do this, and you can open the bag. This is a super cute bag I had ever worn. I am saying this again and again because I don't know why I am in love with some bags. That's it for our today's video. And that's it for our today's handbag collection and what's in my bag. I hope you like the video, and if you do so, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and share it with all your friends, and let me know कि आपको कौन सा बैग ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. Till then, bye bye.